Greetings travelers. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Nice, France Part 2. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are our regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice for top place to visit in Nice, France will be Castle Hill, a great place to stroll around in Nice. The 19-hectare park is located on one of the many hills of the city of Nice. The park has beautiful waterfall features, and children can roam freely as cars are prohibited in the area. The park has playground to accommodate children of all ages. One can enjoy the views over the coast and the cities around Nice. You can see the port of Nice and the beautiful bay of Villefranche over croissant and coffee. Our number two choice or place to go to while in Nice will be St. Nicholas Russian Orthodox Cathedral. Property of the Russian Federation, this place is recognized as a national monument of France. This cathedral is the largest Eastern Orthodox cathedral in Western Europe. Thanks to the Russian Tsar Nicholas II, the cathedral opened in 1912. The parish that occupied the cathedral was part of the parish-based parish of Russian tradition in Western Europe. Following a final ruling by France's highest court in 2011, the cathedral was declared to be property of the Russian state. Our number three choice or place to go to while in Nice will be Parc Phoenix, a floral and animal park and museum of Asian art. Comprised of 5 hectares of greenery just across Nice Airport, with free entrance for children up to 12 years old, and about €5 entry tickets for adults. This beautiful park comprised of tropical plants, parrots, birds, animals, swans, ducks, lake, tropical dome, beautiful grounds to walk around in the sun. Our number 4 choice of place to go to while in Nice will be Musée de Beaux-Arts de Nice, built in the former private mansion of the Russian princess Elizaveta Vasilievna. The museum opened on 7th January 1928 as Palais d'Art Jules Cheret. The museum houses paintings by Cheret and other artists who live and work on the French Riviera. The small museum has sculptures by Jean-Baptiste, François Rude, Michel de Tarnowski, and Auguste Rodin, plus ceramic pieces by Pablo Picasso. Our number 5 top choice or place to go to while in Nice will be Baou de Saint-Jeannet, a great hiking place with sea view to start in the morning. Absolutely breathtaking view over the sea, with nice surroundings of rocky nature and few trees. A great place to relax, meditate, or simply to enjoy the scenery. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other video and our Instagram Scenic Geek. Until next time.